Go back over there. How long do you think Mom takes to, things it'll take to build this?
Well, I've done the computer in 1 hour. Oh no, it should be. Oh, yeah, I guess you. There you go. Now that's where you get the screw started. Not the wrong one. What the other one? It should be. There we go. Those. Okay, good. Yep. Well, that walk. Oh.
Yeah, I went towards the camera first. I know, I don't have it all the way.
That's okay. That's long starting out loose so you can move it around.
Ay, stop touching it! The heck she's talking about? She's distracting me.
I know.
Okay, yeah, since she's yelling something distracting, yeah, you should probably hold it.
No, okay, keep going.
No, I said you should probably hold this.
You want me to do it? 'Cause I know I got one corner in for you. Oh, there we go. Now I can hear it sweating into the plastic. No? What is that noise? Oh, there we go. Now it's...
Apparently it would thread through this, but I wasn't even in the hole to the fan.
Now, I know most of you people are going to look at you restricting your airflow with the fan field, but give you quite honest answer, people, our computer gets so dusty. It's so easy, and plus these fan filters will slow down the dust buildup. It wouldn't get rid of the dust. It will slow down the dust buildup.
Why are you holding on to it? I'm already holding on to it.
Well, there was one more fan filter, and that's the tiny one.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
I'm aware.
There we go. Okay, finally, we got that mounted up. We got that fan filter mounted up. This is a tiny little 80mm fan, or the teeny.
Go to the side a little bit, so I have a little bit of space.
Now the good thing is this metal bracket is removable, so if it's getting in the bottom like these two holes, we can unscrew this metal bracket, so if we need to. There we go. And there should be two at the bottom, so you might have to put the case on the side.
Yeah, I see the two at the bottom right there. Hey, what are you doing?
There, okay, yeah, there we go.
Yes, I knew where they were.
Okay. Oh. Oh. Excuse that shakiness. Good thing
Oh, look, they got a nice shot of my tanned up in the arm.
they're gonna switch to the face every time I shake. Every time I shake the camera, it's gonna switch to the GoPro, back and forth.
Did you realize I was joking, right?
Yes, it's been so hot, or it's been warm out that...
Oh yeah, because I've been going over and working with my neighbors. So I've just been getting tan. Because I've been out in the sun.
Which I did release a time-lapse video of you and me, whether trimming or not trimming, edging, that's right. That's what we did, right?
Yes.
Yeah, excuse if it's very dark, people.
It's acting like it wants to fall out.
Oh, you did put only one screw?
Yeah. Since it's acting like it.
If I I see the whole line.
Yeah, I was using a flashlight to make sure that I could see the hole because the case is black. And then the light isn't on here on it from this side, so I figured to go ahead and use my flashlight to tell. There goes your Bluetooth mouse.
That Bluetooth mouse can survive a little bit of a drop every once in a while. Alrighty there, people. Thank you for watching part 5. Make sure you keep your eye out because this section was installing 2 fan filters, so 2 fan filters. And I know there are a large debate of should you put on fan filter or should I not. So I don't care if it restricts airflow. What I care is slowing down the dust maintenance, so that don't really matter. So, and plus the parent PC, the processor, it's not gonna be pushed that hard that it's gonna output that much of a heat. So this was a section. So yeah, thank you. Like I said, keep your eye out. So if the video caught your interest, but if you want to check out the video gallery, go in the video notes and click that link that will take you off to the video gallery. Or you want to check out the YouTube homepage, please feel free to check out stuff on my YouTube homepage. But if you don't know how to access that, just click on my username in the bottom corner of my video. That should take you over to the homepage. Once you land on that, once you check out all the other link and other stuff on my YouTube homepage, feel free to check out the video gallery by clicking the video tab, and that will take you to the same place. So either way, if you want to go straight to the video gallery or check out my YouTube homepage, and if the video caught your interest, or if my video style, or for whatever reason, if the video caught your interest, feel free to subscribe. And once you did subscribe, make sure, if you want to be notified, or if you want to be notified of any video I've uploaded, please make sure you hit the bell notification, so that should update you on any video I've uploaded or live streamed. So, or you can follow me on the Google Plus page. I do make sure I share the video, and I do post behind the scene, or I post stuff if I'm traveling to a nicer place or what. So feel free to give the video a like or dislike, whatever you feel like. And in the video notes, click on show me more to expand the video notes, because if you don't, all you're gonna see is link to the video gallery. So, But if you did hit the button to expand the video note by clicking on show me more, you will see a channel email address if you need to get in touch with me. Amazon wishlist. If you want to support the wishlist, you're welcome to support that. And if you did support the Amazon wishlist, I will give you a proper shout out depending on what your preference is. As in community detective forums, so if you want to sign up with one of those community detective forums, feel free to say hi. Then if you have any nice comment to say, or if you have any positive or nice encouraging comment, feel free to post them below the video, and I will see you in the next part, or I will see you in other videos. So I will catch you on, alright?